I don't know about you, but after I crochet a winter hat, I always want to put a cute little pom-pom on top. Now this one has a little loop that you could use to like sew it on there. But then you got to wonder what happens when I need to wash this hat. And this is what I'm going to show you today. So these are super cool. They're these little attachments that you can use for your pom-poms. This one with the loop here, it's like a little, let me find it, a little elastic loop. You can pull on it. So what you do to attach this, you can use a crochet hook, might make it easier. Take it from the bottom and then find the middle of it, put your crochet hook through the middle. Then you're going to take that little loop, here it is, and pull it through. So I think I got it through. There it is. Then you're just going to use this little attachment and put it on here, just like that. Then it's nice and secure to your hat. And then when you need to, you can easily take it off. Pretty cool, right? So I also have a little attachment that works well if you're just making your own pom-pom maker too, like if it has strings and stuff. Let me show you that one. So these are little wooden ones and they have two little holes. So what you do is you're going to take your pom-pom, and it has two strings. So you can also use your crochet hook and put it into here, right in the, it doesn't have to be the center, it could be like slightly off center. You're going to put one of these through and then do the other one like just to the side of it. So we'll put it right about, I don't know, right about here. And put our other string through there. Then I'm going to turn this inside out, grab these two, and then you can just thread these through these little holes. There you go, this one. Thread it through there. And then you can just tie a little bow on here. Pull it tight. There we go. And now this one is nice and secure. So I hope the video was helpful. You can find these on my website and in my Etsy store, and I'll put the link below in the description. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.